There is a better internet,
A fairer one.
A more transparent one.
Traditional ad tech wasn't built to evolve, it was built to extract.
We've spent 4 years building the foundations. Now we're scaling for what comes next.
But we're not here to fix their system.
We've been building a new one. Accountability, transparency, speed.
An internet economy designed for outcomes, not overhead.
Where media moves at the speed of code.
And value flows without friction.
Alkimi is that system. Verifiable, efficient, transparent.
This is AdFi, advertising finance built on chain.
We've tested it, proven it, now we are scaling it.
On Sui, Alkimi becomes faster, leaner, and unstoppable.
Ad impressions are verifiable, dollars are accountable.
Every transaction, every emission, clean.
Deterministic, on protocol. This isn't a workaround.
It is the evolution of digital media.
Publishers earn more, brands reach the right people.
Users get less noise, more value, and a better internet.
This is what we've been building. This is what comes next.
Built to scale, backed by years of research, development, and by our community.
Owned by those who believe the web should work better.